Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we will make a juicer blender machine at home using a jug and a DC motor. Let's get started. First, take an MDF board. Take a jug that has a lid. Place it on the MDF board. Use a ball pen to mark around it. Now, make a hole at the marked spot. Place the jug on the hole to check if jug fits in hole. Take a small 12-volt DC motor. Position the motor's shaft on bottom of the jug and mark the hole. Take a cylindrical wooden block and drill a hole in the center that matches the size of the motor shaft. Take some plastic tape and wrap it on motor around the motor shaft. Trim the excess tape with scissors. Again, check the fitting of the motor in the jug hole. Now, apply hot glue thoroughly to the motor. Now attach the motor to the jug. Apply glue all around the motor to seal it securely. Make a cylinder from PVC and place it over the motor. Apply glue all around the cylinder to secure it in place. Fill the gaps between the motor and the cylinder with glue from all sides. Now, mark a cross-shaped pattern on a metal sheet, and cut it out. Bend the sides of the cross pattern at 90-degree angles using a hammer. Bend each arm of the cross pattern again at a 90-degree angle from the center using a pillar. Smooth out the edges using a sanding machine. Mark the center of the cross and drill a hole through it. Drill a smaller hole on the opposite side of the wooden cylinder. Attach the cross to the cylinder using a screw. Secure it tightly. Now, apply super glue to the other side of the cylinder. And place the cylinder over the hole in the jug. Press firmly with a piece of wood to ensure that the cylinder is securely fixed onto the motor shaft. Take 4 MDF board pieces. Attach each piece to another at a 90-degree angle using hot glue. In this way, we will make a box. This box will serve as the base for our blender. Glue it securely with hot glue. Place the MDF board with the hole on top of this box. Place the jug over the hole once again to check. Attach the jug securely with hot glue. Now, mark 2 points on one side of the box. Drill holes at these marked points. Take a switch button and DC jack and check that holes are the same size as components. Take 2 pieces of wire and solder them to the DC jack using a soldering iron. Solder 1 wire from the jack to the button. Take another piece of wire and solder it to the other end of the button. Take 1 wire from the button and 1 from the jack and connect them to the motor. Our blender is ready. Let's test it now. We will put chopped bananas in it. And a glass of milk. Close the jug lid tightly. We will turn on the button and start the motor. Now, let it run for a while. After that, we will open the jug lid and pour the milkshake into a glass. An electric juicer in the market ranges from $50 to $800. Now, with this technique, you can make a juicer at no cost. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.